Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. I get a lot of questions on the Harbor Freight scissor lift here if I feel safe working underneath it, or if I feel like it's going to, come down and crush me to death, or a lot of people complaining that you can't do hardly anything under here because the scissors are blocking everything. Well, I'm in the middle of the scissors, as you can see, and I still have access to everything I need. In fact, one of the questions I get frequently has to do with exhaust work. Can you do exhaust work while using a lift like this? The answer is yes. I'm getting ready to do some welding right now, and I mean, you can get in here. Yeah, you do have stuff around you, but in a 2-post or a 4-post lift, you also have stuff around you. So this is just really no different than any other lift. All of them are going to have their positives and negatives. This one being that in the front here, you do have the scissors, but in the back, there's just one bar you have to kind of hop over to get in here. And I got my little roll cart here, and I've got pretty good view of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we'll get this thing done. Not a very long video, just something I wanted to show. Right on. I'll let that cool off, and I'll get around to the other side. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you got a little information out of this. I know a lot of y'all been asking about it. Still liking it, almost 2 years on, and a whole lot of cars have run through this lift, but I'm really happy with it. Take care.